When was the last time you cleaned your fridge?
Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope and pray that you're all good and safe. For today's video, I'll start by confessing I'm guilty of neglecting my fridge. That's why it is this dirty, but I'm taking back the control. If you have been doing the same, I hope this video motivates you. Or you could just get ready, grab your tools and clean with me. Just a quick reminder, if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing for this and more real life cleaning and organizing motivational videos. I will first take you through what it looks like. It's not the baddest, but I know I can do better. I mean, we keep food here. It should be kept clean to avoid food contamination. I need to organize and do a lot of decluttering. I have been procrastinating on doing this deep clean for so long, but I'm glad I'm finally going to do it. I will start by disconnecting it to avoid power accidents. Then I will empty it. I made sure that I did it on a day that I wasn't so busy in the kitchen because I don't have enough counter space, because it can be overwhelming to take everything out of the fridge and then you have no space to put it. And then I will clean the shelves and take it from there. This is how it looks like. I will get these glass spacers, clean them with a scrubbing sponge and liquid soap, and then I'll also... This is how it looks. I made sure that I get to every corner in here before I can put the shelves back. And then I will start to organize. I looked for glass jars that could fit in this fridge all over town, but I couldn't find any, so I made use of what I could find. This is not the final look. I kept reorganizing, so please look out for it. I'm onto the freezer and the fridge doors now. I don't know how fridge doors and corners manage to accumulate so much dust and dirt. I went ahead and cleaned behind it, and on top of it, I wasn't leaving anything untouched on this fridge. I like to follow a step by step, as you have seen along in the video. I take a few things out, clean, and arrange them back so that I don't get overwhelmed along the way. Here are some of the clips of the before and after. I love how it turned out, clean and organized from top to bottom. There is nothing like a fresh refrigerator. Everything is visible and it has a place in here. I will easily identify anything going bad or expiring. How satisfying is that? I am so glad I did this, and I hope I gave you some motivation and that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and joining my YouTube family by subscribing down below if you haven't already. Thank you so much for staying with me. God bless you. I look forward to talking with you again very soon. Inshallah. Adios.